Hey Freedom Crusaders, it's me Stefan Killinger here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm creating leads totally automized with a Facebook quotes group. That means I created a Facebook group, and the name is Jocko Willink Quotes, and going back there that you see it. And with this Facebook group, I'm creating leads on autopilot. Just show you how it works. I already created 2.3k members with this quotes group, and I just check what's going on in the activity log here, and yeah, here you see it. Two days ago, no, here on September the 14th, request to participate was automatically approved. And then when I go to details, you'll see how it works. If someone wants to participate in this group, he has to answer 2 questions. And these are you open to learning about ways to earn income outside what you are currently doing? Yes, I am. If yes, what's the best email to send to the video? Here's the email address. Boom, there's a lead created. That person here wants to learn more about a way to earn some money outside his normal job, and he gives me his email address, which I can add to my autoresponder, and I can send emails too. And it's never been so easy, because I just have to copy this and go to my autoresponder here. Sorry for my very slow internet, but you see, with that slow internet, I'm running an online business. So I have to log in. Hopefully it works. And I didn't check this leads from my Facebook group for about 3 months, I think. And it's creating, I almost forgot about it, but it's still creating leads on autopilot. You just have to check it and add my leads to my autoresponder. I'm using GetResponse for those things. It's the best thing. And I show you how to add those leads, email addresses to my list I created here. I don't know if my camera is working, but that doesn't matter. Here are is my list. I already created 209 leads from this Facebook quotes group, and I will add it here one by one. I just have to paste this email address. Didn't I copy it? Okay, I'm going back there. Show you once again. Okay, here. Copy. Back to autoresponder. paste. Have to check the name again. Can also copy it. Back. Paste. Yeah. And then I can add him to the autoresponder I already implemented. Save and add another. Boom. And that's how I'm creating leads. So back to the activity log. Maybe it's possible to add him as a friend. Okay. Boom. Adding another friend, and with this way you can build your friends list on Facebook. So let's see who's next. Requested to participate was automatically approved. See details. Yes, I am. Boom, the next email address. Copy. Go to autoresponder. Paste. Check the name. Paste. Add to autoresponder cycle. Save and add another. Boom. Never been so easy. And that's just one strategy of our training on traffic and conversion. You can check out our menu of strategies. There are an amazing bunch of strategies you can check out for just $1. $1, you can check out all the strategies for 1 week, and you also can attend all masterminds in this week. We have masterminds from Monday to Saturday. On some days, 2 on 1 day. So let's see who is next. Request to participate was automatically approved. See details. Not sure yet, just got in. Okay. That's also possible. He's also a friend of mine, and he got started with me. Actually, Michael is a part of my team, and he got started with the Funnel Builder tool. Awesome. He's one who's taking action. Here, the next one. See details. Boom, next one. Next. Paste. Check the name again. Nick Gord. Copy. Add friend. Boom. Paste. Yes. Save and add another. Never been so easy. So, let's see. Who's next? I added one. Oh, he doesn't answer the second question. Okay. Next one. See if someone else here. Automatically approved. See details. Boom, next email address. It's really awesome here. Back to autoresponder, paste. Yep. Copy name. Copy. Add friend. Boom. With this way, you also can grow your friends list on Facebook. Your friends list on Facebook is also a lead list. Boom. See who's next. Let's see here. Okay, doesn't answer. Doesn't matter. Next one. It's a numbers game. Automatically approved. Boom, next one. Same thing, back to autoresponder. Check the name again. Copy. Add friend. Never been so easy. Paste. Boom. And that's the most simple strategy. And if you're joining the traffic and conversion training, that's just one strategy to create leads. And there's a lot of more and more training in order to build traffic, to create leads, and convert them into sales. This is awesome. This is really awesome what you can do with this traffic and conversion training. It's really amazing. And for $1 you can take part in all these live events here: Grow Rich Mastermind Call, Funnel Builder, Focused Monthly Mastermind, Saturday New Member Welcome Orientation, or the Workout Fitness Mastermind, the Monday Night What's Working Now Marketing Mastermind, Daily Traffic and Conversion Mastermind, and the Funnel Builder Friday Mastermind. That's all included in the 1 week $1 premium traffic and conversion. Boom. Let's see what's up here. Okay, I have to log in once more. And here you can see all the things you can use for 1 week for $1. Pre-traffic getting ready, free traffic strategies. Look at these, all these things are for $1. We also have paid traffic strategies, conversion training, all the live masterminds, and Amazon Magic Content Machine AI support is also here. High value bonus trainings, Amazon Influencer Profits, professional video hosting, legacy welcome training. It's really awesome here. So if you want to know more about it, check the link below or leave me a comment. And you can also check my links page, where all the other links are to the Let's Go, Funnel Builder Academy, Premium, Financial Literacy, and Affiliate and Masterminds. So my name is Stefan Killinger. Go and check out my YouTube channel, and feel free to search for me on TikTok and on Facebook. And if you want to start your financial freedom crusade, then feel free to reach out, and always follow your dreams. So get started today. That's it. Have an awesome day. Bye for now. And